Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna go outside because it's super windy. It's like wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. You can literally hear it. This screen door is the only thing keeping that door closed because it blocks the stupid wind. You guys probably can't even hear me. But yeah. Hey Sheba! Sheba loves this wind. She loves it. She likes it. The kids will love it. Yeah, it's super windy. I'm recording. The wind gust is going up to like 40 miles per hour. It's super windy. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. I'm probably gonna have to put this in like titles or something. I bet you probably can't hear me. That's the thing about speakers. When there's wind, you can't hear. You really just can't. It's still though. It's like 40 miles per hour. There's a helicopter up there. They probably saw this stupid flashlight. Yeah, it's super windy. It was really windy earlier though. See, like those white things right there, they will start moving. Alright, come on. Just listen to this. It's because they're not attached to the ground. That's just what. But yeah, it feels really nice. But it's like 30 degrees. We have a little burn pile. Burn pile! For all the things we don't want. My mom let me destroy them with the bat. I'll show you which bat I'm talking about. Is my camera dumb? I need a better camera. This thing does not. It's like, look how blurry it is. I don't know. See, this baseball bat right here, I was just swinging in that fire. Oh my god, Sheba, your eyes are green. It's so creepy. You're a Satan dog. Don't, that's just Sheba. The camera makes her eyes green. Holy mother. Jesus. Oh yeah, there's this guy. Oh my god, I can hear it. This is cool though. I mean, I'm gonna take my hood off. Holy crap. This is awesome. Yeah, I can see my own breath. That's how cold it is, but oh my god. It's so, dude, you guys can probably hear it. But seriously. Holy mother. Yeah, holy mother. You know, EF0 tornado is 2 times worse than this. With the wind gusts going up to 40 miles per hour. Oh my god, it scares me. There's this red building. Every time it gets windy, it just slams. Like the door of it just slams. And it's scary. I feel like these things are gonna fall out someday. They're gonna have to get it replaced. I think those, I'm pretty sure, prevent flooding. See how these are in the ground? Those aren't. It's like on a little hill. When it floods though, it can flood super bad. Like I remember this summer, it rained really hard here. Right here is like 2 feet high. Cause you see like a little wall right there? I'm not sure what it was. I don't know why there's a wall there. But it just made it where there's a huge flood right here. This is a really old race car that is popular in races. I think it's like a 92 something. Oh yeah, Honda, 92 Honda. Let's see. I bet my mom's. There's Mr. Monkey. I've been looking all over for you. I miss you. Oh, I'm taking you back inside. Ew! Ew! That's a dead animal. Oh god, that's disgusting. Ew! I knew it's something like, buddy! Hi! I missed you too! Run! These dogs are attacking! Run! Ow! I just stepped in a hole. I'm gonna get you, buddy. I'm gonna get you. Hey. Hey. What do you want down? Green eyes. Hey! Stop it, bitch! Back off, Ethan! Run! Yeah, this is kind of weird. Yeah, wind right here is crazy. Why are you scared of it? Okay. What was that? I heard like a beep. It's like an alarm clock or something. Yeah, I have literally been looking for this monkey. So I tortured it a little bit, as you can see. It's still in good shape, I guess. Peanut butter, extra cheesy, pepperoni sausage, so tasty. Guess we're going this way now. Dude, my shoes are gonna get so muddy. My mom's gonna get pissed at me. Milk. I'm not trying to get my videos monetized right now. YouTube's going. Plus, I can't. I'm gonna need like 1,000 subscribers, I think. 10,000 watch hours. That's gonna take a while to obtain. See that red building? You can't see it. Whoa. Oh god, I'm getting out. That's no. Oh god. No. Dude, I just saw a fucking car. I'm getting out of here. Dude, honk. The Aussie car. I'm getting out of here. What was that? I swear, I just saw a clown. And it's a honk honk. You guys can't see on camera though. You can't see that far. This stupid flashlight sucks. Oh god. What was it? God, it's scared. I think I saw a clown. I swear, I saw something. I heard a honk honk. Jesus Christ, it's getting so pretty now. Oh my god, no, there's a monkey! Holy shit! Oh god, guys. This is insane! Holy crap! It's pushing my hood up! This is insane! Mom! Mom! Hi! It's my mom. Yeah. Sorry I don't upload. I just don't have the time to do it. Plus, again, I don't know what to upload. Where it is, screen recorder I use, they made it where like you can't use internal screen recording, which means like you use internal sound, so you can only hear the video. Like you can only hear the game. You can't hear external. I guess Android doesn't allow internal. Hey! Hey! Stop! Mr. Monkey does not deserve this! You're a monster. Go eat that dead animal over there. It's so creepy. Look at him with the green eyes. Hey, want it? Ooh? Ooh? Want it? No! Well, it's not really. I guess that's it for the video. Inside the house, so it's crazy. Hey, stop it. Bad. I know what my doggies do. I do. I do. And I let my doggies so much of it. Run! run like a Roblox player. What? Never too long. I swim like Naruto. Okay, this is stupid. This video is retarded. I'm so uploading to YouTube. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit you, but your eyes look so weird. Oh my god. Your eyes look so weird. You're like squinting. No, Mr. Monkey, no! No, Mr. Monkey! Mr. Monkey, no! Mr. Monkey, stop! Stop! No, Mr. Monkey, stop! Run! Oh! God, my voice keeps trapping. Stop it! Oh my God, Mr. Monkey! Stop! No, stop! Let go! Let go! Let go, Mr. Monkey! Stop! I'm gonna pull you. Oh, what are you gonna do? Oh my God! Oh, look! How convenient! He bit his butt open. How could you? Oh, that's it for the video. Run! Take steps. Oh God, okay, I'm going inside. Open the door for me. Look, it says, I saw a cat. Push the door open, Wind. Whew. Whew. Anyways, that's it for the video. Whew, at least, Mr. Monkey, I've been looking all over for you. Mister. You're crazy. That's it for the video, guys. See you later. Bye.